Good morning, girls and boys. Welcome to a new English class. Today we are going to talk about Comparative, Unit 7, Part 1. Comparative. What is that? We will see. When we compare two things or two people. Okay, we distinguish when the adjectives are short words. For example, fast, tall, short, big, small, old, heavy, young, long, late, cold, hot, high, and more. Okay. Comparative adds, look here, done. Okay. ER plus done. We will see. This is the meaning in Spanish. For example, fast, faster. Tall, taller. But here remember the adjective plus ER is taller in this case and done. Okay, always done this word. Short plus ER is shorter than. Big plus ER is bigger than. Be careful here, we will see later, but look at here that big has got double G. Small plus ER, smaller than, okay? Pay attention, than, always we repeat this word. Old plus ER, older than. Heavy plus ER, heavier than. Young plus ER, younger than. Long, longer than. Late, later than. In this case, be careful. It has got an E and we add only the R, okay? Cold, colder than, as always. Hot, hotter. Be careful here, like in bigger, okay? Double T. High, higher than. What happens when we talk about irregular adjectives? For example, comparative of good. Good is an irregular adjective. We say better than. Comparative of bad. Worse than. Comparative of far. Farther than. We will see some examples here. Summer is better than winter. Better. Driving a car, for example, is worse than taking the bus. Asturias is farther than Madrid. Remember, these are irregular adjectives. Pay attention. Look, heavy, the Y becomes an I, okay? And the word is heavier with I. Lazy, the same. Y, letter Y, becomes an I and we say lazier. Happy, the same. Y becomes an I and it's happier. in big, we've got, do you remember that I told you? Big, bigger, double G, okay, double G. Hot, the same, hotter, double T here. Late has got an E at the end, so only the R, later. Examples. Listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Let's go then. A tiger is faster than a turtle. Lucia is taller than her sister. Anna is shorter than Daniela. Madrid is bigger than Alcalá. My house is smaller than yours. Your grandma is older than mine. The blue box is heavier than the red box. My mom is younger than my dad. Adriana arrived to school later than Sarah. We have finished the comparative part 1. Okay? Thank you very much for your attention. We will continue with activities next day. Kisses and hugs. Bye bye.